so today we are in Canggu, Pererenan. So we will take you to stroll around Canggu, Pererenan. As you know that Canggu is becoming so popular. You know there are 3 areas in Canggu which is so popular. First, Berawa Canggu. Second, Batu Bolong Canggu, and the last one, Pererenan Canggu. And let's see how is Pererenan Canggu nowadays.
So this is it, this is the Pererenan, as Winnie said. The main characteristic of Pererenan is that as there are so many expats living actually here, so many residential areas here like villas, houses, and this is pretty new part of Canggu, I could say, because around 5 years ago there were already few villas, but pretty that's it. Not so many food options, not so many restaurants, not so many other attractions. But 5 years later, now in 2022, it's actually very, very busy here, and it's looks like a little city. However, it's definitely much more quieter and peaceful than the Canggu Berawa, where are so many beach clubs around, right? And if we can compare Canggu Pererenan to any other parts of Bali, I could say it's a little bit similar to Batu Sari area in Sanur, where are also so many expats living. However, everything here is newer and definitely younger people around.
As you see here, you know, like we can still feel like the locals vibes where, you know, many warungs, many, you know, like small restaurant where the locals living. And also we can see that the mix of the tourists and also expats living here. I think, like Damian said before, this, you know, this place is more peaceful if you compare with the hustle and bustle life in Canggu Berawa and Batu Bolong area, which is nowadays hype with the beach clubs and then party. But here is more, you know, you can still enjoy the life with the locals.
So everywhere around actually there are restaurants, villas, there is like a local house actually at the front, mini mart, and here is a local laundry, so you can have a laundry service around, little spa, and then there will be another restaurants and villas obviously. And then just at the corner where we actually still filming all the time in the same spot, there is the one cafe full of people, and there is like even clinic where in case of emergency you can come over here 24/7. And of course never ending construction of something, new place coming soon, and somebody have a local house. So local people living around, villas, business. Here is like a homestay and with a local warung, and there is the cafe. So much is going around, Sayang.
Yeah, so this is what I told you. If people are tourists who are, you know, bored with the hustle and bustle life in Canggu and they want to, you know, find out more peaceful area, they just go to the west little bit of the Berawa Canggu and they will choose Pererenan area.
So one more time, little bit to show you how does it look everything in Pererenan. This is the brunch club, like a fancy place for the obviously brunch, drinks, dinner, lunch, maybe even breakfast. There is the nice local house with the big temple. And then there is like a local warung, and then there is a white building with the cafe full of the international tourists around.
And then next to me is another restaurant. I think it's still closed and open maybe for the lunch and dinner. So yeah, this is how the Pererenan changing a lot. It's just become like the next tourist spot after Berawa, Batu Bolong, Canggu. And you see, when we walk here, we saw that so many international tourists, you know, walk or maybe like riding a scooters with the surfing boards, because over there on the beach also the surfing spots in Pererenan area.
It's 12:15, so it's middle of the lunchtime in Bali. Well, I think I don't need to tell you, yes, it's very hot. However, I want to show you how does it look, general vibe in Pererenan. And as you already noticed, it's definitely much more cozy rather than in Canggu. Yeah, of course, people passing by all the time, and there are so many food options. However, there is like, you know, not that busy, I could say, right? And also, even if Pererenan don't have many footpaths and walkways where you could walk peacefully, the roads are actually much wider, and all of the business, they are more like not so close to the street like, let's say, in other parts of Bali, right? Did you notice that?
Yeah.
There are actually quite a lot of space around.
So just right behind me, this is a brand new restaurant in Pererenan, Canggu. I don't know what is it the name, but by looking at outside, you know, like the sign of congratulations for the opening. So it means like everything is much developing here in the Pererenan area. And you see over there on that side, seems like the building construction. I don't know whether it's gonna be a restaurant, warungs, or hotels, maybe, or shops. Maybe not hotel, but maybe like shops. So this is how Pererenan nowadays becoming so like a, you know, growing like a mushroom in the rain. So now let's get inside. Deep inside is how the Pererenan area, I mean like the housing complex you see behind me is already private villas. And yeah, even like the road is not that best, but you see the buildings here on the left side, here is already rooms for rent. So just like here, rooms for rent. So what I can say, this area is, you know, quite far from the hustle and bustle, loud music for the party club. No wonder.
There is no beach club yet in this part of Bali, right?
Yeah,
in
you see?
Pererenan. So Pererenan is pretty new part of Bali. I mean, the Pererenan was always existed, but that was like a village with local people normally. And about 5 years ago, it started becoming into another hub for the tourists and expats from all around the world. So most of the things what you can see over here, the cafes, the restaurants, the villas, the houses, even the street is pretty new. I will consider as they are no older than 5 years. So everything is growing into that area and more into Tabanan, obviously. So I have a question to you guys. Would you consider to live here? Maybe you never been here, and would you consider to come and visit this place in Pererenan? It's like about 15 minutes from the heart of the Canggu, maybe 10 minutes. Because for me personally, it looks actually pretty nice. It's very cozy, and I could, well, if I will have to move out and live on this side of Bali, except of course I could live in the Tabanan with my wife, I will consider Pererenan for sure, because it's actually very beautiful over here.